Today we're gonna talk about an AI assistant that will make your life hella easier. So on today's topic, I'm gonna introduce to you guys a new app that I designed in the agency that I work, Babco design agency. If you guys have any design work, you can talk to us. And then this app has been launched, I guess, last week or the week before that. It's an early process, so it's actually the first base features and we're developing more. And it's really cool. I wanted to show it to you guys so you guys could actually check it out and see if you like it and if it's helpful for you and the design process behind it. Lopp actually uses AI to deeply listen to your conversations and understand all of the key points of it and send all of the important notes from a meeting, from a conversation in a note to your email, or you can just check out that conversation in the app. So let's look at it right now. As you guys can see right here, I'm gonna start screen recording on my phone. As you guys can see over here, we have this cute little loopy guy who listens to your conversations and summarizes them for you. So all you need to do is tap record, and then it's gonna start processing and it's gonna start recording and it's gonna listen to your conversations to help you get a really good summary out of it. So after your recording is over, you're just gonna touch loop again. It's gonna process your conversation and then it's gonna send one to your email, and then also you're gonna have one here in your conversations. So the process behind designing an AI app like this is actually really tough because you have to go over 100 different characters to come up with the right one that goes along with the brand and goes along with what they're trying to do. And we had to do a lot of different characters, then we have to animate them. After animating your characters in After Effects, whatever tool you use, in order for the development team to be able to use it, you have to turn it into Lottie file or JSON file. I'm gonna link website in the description that you guys can use to change MP4, GIF, anything to Lottie. There is a plugin in After Effects which is called Body Moving, which is not free, but and the one that I'm linking in the description is a free one. So after designing a character, making use of it, you have to do all of the different states of the face. So basically when it's recording, when it's thinking, when it's bored, you're not doing anything in the app, it's gonna become bored and it's just gonna start sleeping. So there are all these different variations of the character that you need to design, and then there are a lot more features to come. All of the different pages, all of the different conversations, you can share it with different people. It makes listening to meetings a lot easier because you don't have to be taking notes all the time. You can just let Loop listen and just send you a summary of that meeting with all of the pinpoints. There are cool features to come, but for now, go ahead and download it. It's Apple Store, and I'm not sure if it's in Google Play, but if it was, I'm gonna link it in the description, and just let me know what you think of it. That's it pretty much for this video. I hope I see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and bye.